Hello, welcome back. This is the final video of the finished Jag. Well, it's almost finished, but the other few things are probably out. Got enough videos on. We've got the clocks, I'm still blinking, I've got to sort that out, and some other little bits that need doing, but it's on the road, it's MOT'd, and this is what it looks like. So the only few imperfections on the car now are, I don't know if you can see, but the silver chrome that's chromed on plastic there is starting to peel away. I've been scratching off as it's been going, so it looks better without it, to be honest. All the rust has been done, all that's sorted, so that's all nice. It's had tyres put on it, so the tyres have been done. And it's running with no smoke, so that's all good as well. It did smoke when it first started, but it ain't smoking anymore. All the rust on this side has been done, and all the chassis has been done. On the inside, it's looking pretty good. The wood looks good. All the doors look good. And in the back as well. It's looking pretty nice in there. It does still need a bit of a dust and a bit of a clean, but to be honest, I'm very happy with it. So there you go. See you soon.